Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Grammar Advanced Level Quiz. Which of the following sentences correctly use the subjunctive mood? If I was you, I would reconsider. If I were you, I would reconsider. If I am you, I would reconsider. If I were you, I would reconsider. Identify the correct use of ellipsis in the following sentence. She was thinking of going to the party, but. Before but. After but. No ellipsis is needed. After but. Choose the correct form of the verb in the following sentence. Neither the students nor the teacher blank satisfied with the results. Is, are, has. Is. Neither the students nor the teacher is satisfied with the results. Identify the correct use of inversion in the following sentence. Only when the test was over did she breathe a sigh of relief. Only when the test was over did she breathe a sigh of relief. Both are correct. Both are correct. Which sentence correctly uses a cleft sentence for emphasis? It was the dog that ate the cake. The dog ate the cake. The cake was eaten by the dog. It was a dog that ate the cake. Identify the correct use of modal verb in the following sentence. You mustn't tell anyone about this. Mustn't. Tell. Anyone. Mustn't. Which sentence correctly uses the passive voice? The cake was eaten by the children. The children ate the cake. The cake has been eaten by the children. The cake was eaten by the children. Identify the correct use of gerund in the following sentence. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading Which sentence correctly uses a participle phrase? Having finished the test, she felt relieved. She felt relieved and finished the test. She finished the test and felt relieved. Having finished the test, she felt relieved. Identify the correct use of a preposition in the following sentence. She arrived after dinner. She arrived after. After. Which sentence correctly uses a conditional sentence? If I had known, I would have told you. If I knew, I would tell you. If I will know, I will tell you. If I had known, I would have told you. Identify the correct use of a relative clause in the following sentence. The man who lives next door is a doctor. The man who lives next door is a doctor. Who lives next door? Which sentence correctly uses reported speech? He said that he was tired. He said, I am tired. He said that I am tired. He said that he was tired. Identify the correct use of an adverb in the following sentence. She quickly ran to the store. She quickly ran. Quickly. Which sentence correctly uses a comparative adjective? She is taller than me. She is more tall than me. She is tallest than me. She is taller than me. Identify the correct use of superlative adjective in the following sentence. He is the fastest runner on the team. He is the fastest runner. Is the fastest. Which sentence correctly uses a conjunction? I like tea and coffee. I like tea, coffee. I like tea but coffee. I like tea and coffee. Identify the correct use of determiner in the following sentence. I saw some birds in the park. I saw some Which sentence correctly uses an auxiliary verb? She can play the piano. She played the piano. She plays the piano. She can play the piano. Identify the correct use of prefix in the following word. Unhappy. Happy. Unhappy.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.